What a fabulous deal. This is a vacant villa. There is very, very few vacant villas in Dubai. They're all rented and you have the hassle of trying to evict tenants and it's not working and you never actually get into the house that you purchased. So this is vacant and you're about to see that as we walk through it. All the details are in the bottom of this description, including my WhatsApp number. This is a hot deal, namely because it's vacant and you can do so much with it. It's an old original style built by Nakil here in Jumeirah Park. It's a 3-bedroom with a maid's room and a double garage, and this is just an exceptional property. So let's turn around the camera and take a look. So here is your front gate and you're looking out over to the park. And you'll see that from upstairs. This is your front house, which is very majestic. Your front door is very majestic. Okay, so as we walk in the front door, let's just have a look around. That's your front area. It's a massive, massive area to do really nice things in the garden. And so you walk in the front door, and here is your hallway, which has a door leading straight out to the lovely garden at the back. So we come back through, that was the front door, there's the stairs here, and here is the main living room. Of course, lots of renovation that you might want to do. Definitely put in more windows to give in more light, but this is the original style built over 8 years ago. So that's the garden outside, which is beautiful. This is your living area. Back through the reception, and that's your downstairs toilet. There's no electricity, so sorry I can't show you with lights on. This is your family room, your dining room, your kids' play area, here onto the kitchen, which is fabulous. And it leads straight out again to your garden, okay? Some people have actually put a conversion in here and made this more of the house to make that a study, another room, but you choose what you want to do with it. So this is the original kitchen, definitely needs to be upgraded, but again, you could move in today and this kitchen does work, okay? And then it's a bit dark here, but you've basically got a little cupboard here which you'd put your washing machine and your dryer. You've got a large storage area. You're not going to be able to see in there. Oh yes, you can. That's really quite large there. This is your maid's area, and the maid's room always has a bathroom in there. So believe it or not, yes, you can actually have double bunk bed in there. I'm not sure if this opens, it doesn't, but that is a double garage closed. And that is the electrics room and more storage, okay? So now, if we come back through the house, we have it. I'll just take you out to see the garden. This is your outside area, which is absolutely gorgeous. Large garden with grass, definitely room for a nice swimming pool. Doesn't this look gorgeous? This is your garden, and you can walk down both sides of the house. The other side you actually walk through the garage, okay? So that's how it looks. Really, really nice garden. And it's not overlooked, so it's a single row, which means there's no road noise as such. Here you have it. Okay, so now let's head upstairs. Okay, so we're heading upstairs. This is how it looks. That's the front, looking out to the park and the football pitch. We're going up the stairs. So there's 3 bedrooms upstairs. Okay, let's go to the master first. So this is a nice, light, airy room. That's your view from the master bedroom. Okay, so you've got walk-in cupboards there, which is amazing. And you've got your master bathroom with a bath, double sink, okay, and a walk-in shower and a toilet. So really nice space there. And then you've got this outside balcony. Some people again have actually built into that. And then you've got 2 bedrooms here, each ensuite bathrooms. There's 1 bedroom, looking down into the garden. Lots of cupboard space there, and that's your bathroom. And the same for the other bedroom. However, this bedroom has a view over to the park. So let's have a look over to the park here. Okay. It's really, really quiet here. It's really, really nice, quiet location. So this property is also on open house. this week. So if you wanted to come and have a look at the property with your own eyes, then please feel free. You'll see in the description below the timings of the open house. I'll be here in person. You can come and meet me. If you're a mortgage buyer, you will need to be approved. Nobody will accept offers. No sellers will accept offers if you're not approved by your bank. So you need to get that sorted very, very quickly because the market here is very fast. So thank you so much for watching. In fact, let me just do a quick, I'll walk you out as well. So you can see through the front gate how it looks as well. That's your front here and out that way. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions then feel free to ask me. Very much looking forward to welcoming you to your new home here in Jumeirah Park. Thank you for watching. Take care.